Wash your hands with soap and water, soap and water, soap and water. Wash your hands with soap and water.
The workshop program is an initiative of World Vision and Sesame Workshop, which is being implemented in Kenya. The program focuses on the water, sanitation, and hygiene needs of children, families, and communities.
Workshop program is a partnership between World Vision and Sesame Workshop, that is a non-profit organization. This workshop program was started here in Kenya in July 2022. This program has targeted 25 schools within two area programs, that is Usiligi area program in Kajiado and Mwala area program in Machakos.
The health behaviors promoted by the workshop program include the consumption of safe water, increased latrine use, hand washing with soap and water, good food hygiene, good personal hygiene, as well as children teaching other children about ways to be healthy and safe. Teachers from various schools in Kenya have been at the forefront in implementing this program, which has been integrated in the school curriculum.
We were able to be invited by the World Vision, and a number of our teachers were trained. There are 10 schools who are involved in the program, in which each school produced 2 teachers, so we have 26 trained workshop teachers within our sub-county.
We have the workshop program system, whereby we teach, we post, we project a video, we ask some questions, and the pupils are able to answer the questions. Therefore, we are able to know whether the pupils have understood or not.
The program uses educational videos featuring popular Sesame Workshop television show cartoon characters to educate children on water, sanitation, and hygiene.
The pupils are able to keep the school clean. We have identified a Raya and an Elmo in the school who are in charge of cleanliness of the school. They collect rubbish. They make sure that the water points have water all the time. Therefore, I can say that the program has been successful in our school.
This program also partners very closely with the World Vision's infrastructure development in the schools, so that Sesame Workshop introduced these materials, and World Vision, on the other hand, provided the infrastructure within the schools to be able to bring together the approaches, the practices, vis-a-vis the practical bit of it in the schools.
As a department, we ensure that what the pupils have been taught in school through the workshop program is well implemented. To also ensure that we capacity build teachers to adopt safe hygiene behaviors that they will also cascade to the students.
Improved sanitation and hygiene in schools and communities are among the many benefits brought about by the program.
We used to send about 10 pupils to the dispensary every day, complaining of headache, and stomachache. And since we started this program, we rarely send pupils outside because of sickness. So I can say that the program has led the pupils to stay in school all through.
Sit on the toilet during use.
Do not stand on the toilet during use.
Do not use the floor. Use the toilets.
The impact of the workshop program has trickled down from the classroom setup to the people's homes and families through water, sanitation and hygiene, wash champions who are teaching community members about the targeted health behaviors.
Mradi ya workshop imenisaidia sana na familia yangu. Hii inaitwa tip-tap. Nimewafundisha kutengeneza. Unachukua miti mbili na chimba shimo mbili, naweka mawe na gonga ndio isianguke. Nachukua mti ingine, naweka hapo, natafuta kibuyu, nachukua uzi, unachukua sabuni, naweka hapo. Na nimetengeneza. Wale hawajui mambo nitawafundisha.
One of the major challenges that we are currently facing with this program is the large number of learners who are willing to join this particular program. This is a challenge because the number of facilitators, the teachers, are limited, and also the materials that we are providing is limited at the moment. So it calls for improvement in terms of increasing the number of materials and also probably developing the capacity of more facilitators to be able to enhance effectiveness in the sessions that they are having.
I want to thank World Vision for the things they have done to our school. Now we are able to drink safe water, wash our hands, use clean toilet. Thank you. Ningependa World Vision iendelee na hii mradi ya ifundishe watoto wengine. Nashukuru World Vision juu kile wametutendea. Hata kila mtu hapa anajua kunawa mikono, hata kuosha matunda.